the mama, Biscuit here, her teats are huge, her belly's huge, so we're starting to wonder. We thought they were both 5 months old. Obviously, that's not the case. Look, we're new to this. We've never been around a pregnant hog, but if I was to guess, I'd say this hog is pregnant. One of two things we're wondering is maybe she's had babies before, or she's pregnant right now. If she's gonna have babies here in the next month or so, we gotta figure it out sooner rather than later. Good morning, I am Dustin Aleman. This is Aleman Family Homestead. Our hope for this channel is that you're able to pick up a tip, a trick, a golden nugget to help you on your homesteading journey. If that is the case, go ahead, hit subscribe, keep bringing comments, feedback. Appreciate y'all. Give us a like, give us a thumbs up. Hey, today we've got I'm gonna do a quick garden check. Go check on these hogs. Go check on the cows. We did something with the cows. I'll show you. That was my mistake. With the pond, we had them around the pond. I'll talk about that here in a little bit. We'll bring you along for the ride. Mostly here. If you give them 10, right? Yeah, they're fine. Give them 10. All right, so Evie and Natalie are out getting these chickens, getting all the waters. I'm gonna go do a quick garden check. We watered yesterday, so we'll just be in and out there. I'll show you what I was talking about, update on the pond. So we've got these cows out where the pond is. And then Annabelle was showing like the pre signs of mastitis. So she was a little touchy yesterday. Her milk wasn't coming out on her back quarter, on one of her back quarters. So we gave her some Excel 7000 yesterday. We've done this in the past where how we've treated mastitis. I brought some new tips out. I was just in the house looking for tips because the other tip broke yesterday. So we'll show you how we do that. We've done this many videos ago, but it's not that bad. It's a little stringy, but she was very sensitive. So we're trying to get on top of that, be proactive. We'll just continue to shoot up some Excel 7000 here. So we'll show you that here. All right, quick garden update. It's getting jungly. It's good. We got all sorts of stuff going on. These are these paste tomatoes. We actually pulled one Saturday. We had a nice big one that was red. Oh, you see, here's a red one. But it was a lot bigger. Yeah, it was like this size. This guy's turning. And we used it for tacos, and it was awesome. These are really good for tomato sauces and pastes. But when we diced it up, I mean, it was actually pretty good for tacos as well. So garden's looking good. Just wanted to give you a quick update. You still see these squashes climbing that wall, which is amazing. We love that. We're really going to utilize that next year. We're going to do more of that, more verticals. See all the pumpkins climbing across the wall over there. It's looking good in here. All right, we got some hungry piggies. This net is hitting hard, which is good. It's Come on, pigs. Pig. Pig. All right, so we have maxed out, although I was reading something the other day, but we've got 5 hogs. We're at 6 pounds a day, so that's 30 pounds plus all of our scraps. I was reading something the other day in a hog book, and it said you could go up to 6 or 7 pounds. So we might maybe next month up them again to another. We might go to 7 pounds per hog. So that would put them at 35. Look, at the end of the day, all that's going to do is just give us a bigger hog come slaughter time. So we'll see. We've never done that. No, that's a lie. The first year we raised Pinky and Blackie, we just kept escalating. We just kept going, oh, okay, every month we're just gonna keep feeding them, and we ended up with huge hogs. I think they were like 350. They were way too big. So after that, we went to the principle of we maxed out at 6 months, and we've done that the last few years. Maybe we'll mess around with it this year. Maybe we'll go to seven pounds per hog. So we'll see. Hey, I didn't even notice as I was bringing the cart, Nat did some harvesting. So we've got some zucchinis from the garden. So we've got some nice zucchinis and some potatoes.
I love when they go down like that.
We just grabbed some potatoes, and the reason she did this, we weren't sure. We got devastated with hail, and the plants above ground don't look great. So Nat just wanted to go see what we've got, but pretty cool. We got some potatoes. We grew some potatoes, so that's awesome. We haven't done that in many years. You can see these ducks are loving this pond. Oh, aww. As soon as I go over there, they freak out. There they go. They'll go. Oh. Maybe not. I also brought some hay. I forgot to talk about this. We're gonna throw this in the IBC tote for the hogs. So we'll bring that over as well. These ducks should be laying eggs any day now. Are you looking for eggs, Evie, as you're walking around?
Yeah, I am.
There they go. They love swimming in that.
I like when they do that.
Yeah, duck. You see how it just beads off of them, Evie?
Yeah.
See, the water beads up on their feathers and just flows off of them.
Yeah, because they have 2 pairs of feathers.
But see how they don't just get soaking wet? So the chickens, if they jump in there, they'd just be soaking wet.
Like the turkeys.
Like the turkeys.
They look like zombies.
Alright, so we can do a quick poultry update. You see our ducks are doing great. Hens are doing great. These turkeys are getting big. 2 turkeys in here. They're the lone survivors. We got our hens, and then we've got the next gen. Next gens are getting big. They're getting big. We're getting to the point where we're going to be able to commingle these girls, and there's probably some roosters in there that we'll have to call. But... and of course, Mr. Rooster. So you see the mama biscuit here. Her teats are huge. Her belly's huge. So we're starting to wonder. I don't think so. This guy was only 5 months when we got him, so he was not ready to get her pregnant. But a couple of things. I mean, we've raised female hogs before. You can see her belly and her teats are just hanging down. So we thought they were both 5 months old. Obviously, that's not the case. Look, we're new to this. We've never been around a pregnant hog, but if I was to guess, I'd say this hog is pregnant. Because we've raised female pigs and we've never seen their teats do that. Same with cows. I mean, it's obvious. When you have a cow that's never been pregnant, the teats and the udder are way up, sucked against their skin. And then after they have babies, they drop just like this. Just like anything, just like humans, just like all of us. So one of 2 things we're wondering is maybe she's had babies before. We're gonna text the guy we bought them from and just get some clarification. But she was definitely not 5 months. She's a lot bigger. She's either had babies or she's pregnant right now. We don't know if she was pregnant when we bought her, so we're just gonna do some digging here. All right, so that was the other thing I forgot to talk about. I just brought some hay out, put some hay in their tote there. Gives them good shelter, gives them some bedding when they're in there getting out of the elements. But again, I mean, look, I mean, she definitely, something's going on. She's either pregnant or she's had babies before, so I don't, and she was a lot bigger. I mean, when we picked them up, look how big she is compared to Chorizo here. So I don't know, we need to start looking at some pictures of some pregnant mama pigs. But that's something we need to figure out sooner rather than later, because 1 month before she has her babies, we need to get him away from her. So that's gonna set up a whole nother situation where we've got a whole nother area for him, which we were planning to do in the high tunnel, but we weren't planning to do that until this winter. So the plan was, or the hope was, they were 5 months in July. We were hoping they were gonna get pregnant and have babies in January. By that time, they were gonna be in the high tunnel. We're gonna have all the hog panels. We've got hog panels and cattle panels. We can separate the boy from the girl, from the mama and the piglets. And that was the plan. There's a huge bird just flew in on the pond. So that was the plan. That was the plan. If she's gonna have babies here in the next month or so, we gotta figure it out sooner rather than later, because it's August. We'll take that high tunnel as far as we can go. That first frost. I mean, usually we let it grow till September, October. So we might have to go in and harvest some stuff in a corner and set up the mama and the babies. We'll figure it out. Not the end of the world. We'll get it figured out. We gotta know if she's gonna have babies. That was last year. I had AZ on my back when I went out to the turkeys. All right, so I'm gonna talk about this here in a minute. See how empty this is? We just filled that up. So they drank all that in a 24-hour period. We usually fill that up every day, and that's what it was looking like. And the last few days, it was full. We'd come out and it was full, and I'm going, what is going on? Well, they were going in the pond, this nasty pond, which if we built this correctly, that would be an okay system. It would be okay. There's a way to utilize a pond for our cows to drink water and be fine. But the way I've got this set up, not so much, because the cows go into the middle, they're drinking water. While they're drinking water, they're pooping, they're peeing, so they're essentially eating their it's just gross. And then that pond is just nasty, it's stagnant water. I mean, there's a way to set up a natural pond for your livestock to drink. That's not it. I'm not even gonna get into that. Joel Soliton has methods and he does that. We're nowhere near that or needing to do that. So I went around, I put 4 corners and I ran a dummy line yesterday just to keep them out of there. And so within 24 hours, they're up here drinking water, which is a good sign. I don't want them in there drinking water.
Izzy.
Annabelle, let's go.
Izzy, I'm
go.
gonna ring the bell.
Good girl.
Bell. This bell.
Good girl.
Okay.
Girl.
Do you touch it before you put it in there?
Just do it.
Just because you put it on hot doesn't mean it's hot. All right, so this back one, my side, this back one was the one that was in question yesterday. It feels fine. It feels better than yesterday. It was really tight. But I brought some new tips out. Well, that tip yesterday was broken, so I was lucky to get that in her. But the challenge too is I can inject her with this, but as soon as I let the calf off, the calf's over here sucking on it. So I don't even know if it's.
Yeah, we need to inject it at night.
Yeah.
Once
So
we tie the calf up.
I'll have to when I go get them at night, tie the calf up. That's when I should be injecting her. But I'll show. Yeah, she feels a lot better. I'll show you guys what we use. We've got a couple of injections that we use. It's all natural. It's just a bunch of herbs in a liquefied state, and you just inject them in their teats. And we use Synergy products. So I'll show you that here when we're done. All right, so here's what we use. To Natalie's point, the calf's right behind me right now sucking on Annabelle. So it's very pointless to do this right after we milk. So I'll do it tonight. But here's the XL 7000. This is what we use, like right now. We're being proactive. I'm gonna squirt this up in her teat. And anytime we start to get any sense of a chance of mastitis, we'll utilize this. This Celex Gold is what we use when it's stringy, when she does have mastitis, it's stringy, then we'll hit her with this. And usually we'll start with this, we'll do three doses of this and then 3 doses of this. And you just inject 30 mils, and this is an old one, but and this tip is cracked. You can see that crack. I don't know if you can see it. Once that's cracked, it doesn't work because there's not enough pressure and it starts squirting out. So I brought some extra tips. I've got clean tips, brand new tips with me. You simply stick this up in her teat, and they don't like it. It's uncomfortable. So you've got to get in there. I mean, she'll kick and everything else. Takes some time. So you just got to get it in there and then inject, and it's all natural. So I mean, it's a bunch of herbs. There's nothing bad about this. It's all natural, and it's all we've ever used. Mary, our first cow, was a heavy producer, and she got mastitis a lot. Annabelle's only had hints of it a couple times, but Mary used to get it a lot, and this always worked. We always use this, and it always worked. We've never had to do anything else. All right, we are going to call it a day today. As always, appreciate each and every one of you. Our hope for this channel is that you are able to pick up a tip, a trick, a golden nugget to help you on your homesteading journey. If that is the case, go ahead and hit subscribe below. Keep bringing comments, feedback, give us a like. Appreciate y'all. Catch you next time.